That's our kupu whānau. What I wanted to get into too, share with you guys, is some Kiwaha. So Kiwaha is, in English, it's colloquialisms, idioms, but they're just like slang words. And this is some of the stuff that Lazy was putting up earlier. He was sharing with us, which is mean because he's checked my social and he's seen that I put up some words. So I like to go through these. These are cool. I'm going to make some of these in my emotes, really. So e mea ana koe. E mea ana koe means you bet. And I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use you bet. When somebody wants to challenge you, yeah, bet, you bet. And then he aha hoki, that means whatever, yeah, whatever, he aha hoki. Taia ana means scucks, like Jake T. Musk. I know he's not here in the stream. He gave me his apologies earlier. Taia ana, scucks guy. Mā te aha I tēnā means better than nothing. Au taia tonu, not bad. Paia means yeah. That's definitely going to be an emote. Yeah. And feel care is buzzy. Now that's buzzy. That's feel care. Awaia means wowzers. Wehina is OMG. Wehina. And aheiha means hard. Mehe te, like a boss. I know some of our sisters are like a boss. So mehe te. You know that mezimu? Mehe te ia. She's like a boss. Wawo ana, that's cray cray. Wawo ana, that's cray cray. Tapa hi ana, flash guy. I'm not doing any invites yet, my bro. Tapa hi ana, flash guy. We ke neru means holy moly. And then e te muru, turbother, e te muru, piemeri, turbother. Kowo means bro. Ehara I te ti is YOLO. Feko is trills in the old singing when they do those flash trills. Feko. And then hangareke ana, what a crack up. Hangareke ana, what a crack up.